Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Contemporary table lamp designs optimize the fusion of functionality and artistry in modern interior decor. These lamps serve as more than just source of light. They are aesthetic statements that enhance the ambience of a room. With sleek lines, innovative materials, and striking designs, contemporary table lamps effortlessly complement a variety of interior styles, from minimalist geometric succulents to organic nature-inspired shapes. These lamps offer a diverse range of choices. Materials such as glass, metal, and sustainable materials like bamboo and recycled wood are often used to craft these lamps. Some designs incorporate smart features like touch controls and adjustable lighting for added convenience. Whether you're looking for a table lamp that adds a pop of color or touch of elegance, or a conversation piece, contemporary designs have you covered that only provide functional lighting but also elevate your home decor to the next level, transforming any room into a modern, well lit heaven. Moreover, these contemporary table lamps often incorporate energy efficient lighting technology, contributing to eco friendly and sustainable interior design. Their versatility allows them to fit seamlessly in various living spaces, from bedrooms and living rooms to offices and dining areas. Embrace the aesthetics and practical brilliance of contemporary table lamp designs to illuminate and embellish your living spaces with a touch of modern elegance. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.